Hello everybody, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel. This is my crochet nook and I'm Linda, and today is all about supporting my fellow YouTubers. I was very lucky that last week two lovely YouTubers gave me a shout out, which was Pamela from Pamela's Adoring Crochet and Jeannie from On the Hook Crochet. Their links I will place below. Now these three lovely ladies who have their are new to YouTube, they are absolutely fabulous ladies. I love them to bits. They're all different in their, they all offer laughter and friendship, and they're just absolutely lovely. And I just wanted to give them a shout out because I was very lucky to have a shout out. I decided that today I was going to shout out just three of my favorite YouTubers. So the first one is Cindy, and she is Cindy the Crocheter A, and she is in Canada. She is a lovely bubbly lady. She's absolutely fabulous. She always makes me laugh and I love watching her because she always lifts my spirits, and she is a self-professed stalker of Crystal from Bag a Day, and I've been very fortunate that I've watched them interact on lives, and it's just fun to see them both laugh and joke and take the mickey out of each other. They're really, it's just very, very uplifting. She does unboxing, she does live shows, and she's really, and obviously she's a crocheter, and she's really just very, very bubbly. She's just a bundle of fun. I really love watching her, and I hope you take the time to go and visit her. The next one is Stephanie, and she is in the US, and she set up, her channel is called Life and Stitches, and again she's a crocheter, but she also shows you yarn hauls, unboxing, but she shows you around a vegetable garden, and just shows you what her life is like. She has been very poorly in the past, and I just wanted to show my support. She's fairly new to YouTube. I think she's only been YouTube for a couple of months, if that. But she's really, really nice, and I just love her to bits, and I hope that you click on her link and have a visit, and please leave a comment on one of her videos and say that, Linda sent you, and that would be awesome. Now the next one is Melissa, also in the US, and she's Melissa's Crochet with Love. She's another bubbly, lovely lady, and I've been fortunate to be on lives, other people's lives with her, and we just have a really good laugh and a joke, and I really, really enjoy taking part in my YouTube family's lives. I'm in the UK, so their lives are quite late at night, so I do kind of try and take part later in the evening. When hubby's up in bed, I'm down in the dining room with the door shut so he can't hear me, because I can be quite loud. She does yarn hauls, and she shows Happy Mail videos and finished objects, and she makes earrings and stitch markers. So I really, really would appreciate it if you could take the time to just have a look at these three newbies to our YouTube family, and show them some support. Like I've been very fortunate to be given the support and shout outs from fellow YouTubers. There's Triple C, Dana from Triple C Crochet, and she is amazing. She does craft hour 9:30 till 11 Monday to Friday, and she does a craft hour, and it's amazing. She goes through different things, and she's really, her and her husband Joe are very, very supportive of their subscribers and everybody from all different walks of life in the YouTube streets. And I just wanted to give her a quick mention too, because I think she's amazing too. And I am where I am today with a lot of support from Dana, and where I've met a lot of my family who have joined me. So on that note, I am going to say bye-bye for now, but more importantly, be kind to yourselves and stay safe. Bye.